Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new ABH Impeccable Foundation. Is that what it's called? Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation. I'm over 50 and brain fog, memory loss, you know, bear with me. I tried this already and I wasn't a fan, but I'm going to try it today with a different prep. So I've got the Embryolisse Lait Creme Concentrate. This is nice and hydrating, it's rich. My skin is dry, so I'm wondering if maybe I give it another shot, maybe I'll have a better result. I have to go out, so this is gonna be a wear test. I'm proud of myself. I got 1.5 neutral. It says it's for light skin with neutral undertones, which is me. So hopefully this will work. It did look a little dark the other day, but we'll see. This is the texture, which you can see it's quite thick. It's not moving at all. I'm gonna use a Sigma Soft Coverage F48 brush. I feel like maybe I was just really dry that day. And I said on a live stream that it wasn't for me. And then I felt bad that I didn't give it a fair shot. And I think maybe I used too much. On the website, it describes it as a medium to full coverage, long-wearing foundation that blurs pores, fine lines, and wrinkles up to 12 hours. I feel puffy today. What did I eat last night? Did I have salt? Okay, well, from this distance, it looks really good. If I say something in a video of a first impressions, please take it with a grain of salt and let me follow up with you, or if you have any questions or if you have any disagreements, let me know. My skin changes day to day. It is velvety feeling for sure. Is it blurring my pores? I'm gonna use my Victoria Beckham contour and just tap that in and we'll see if it lifts it at all. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so when I use a foundation that has a little bit more hydration, isn't so matte, this blends super easy, but can you see that there's a little bit of a line there still? And I'm really having to work to get that out. So I don't think those two products go well with each other. Looking at that, I don't think so. So let me go back over that a little bit with my foundation brush. Just means I need a powder bronzer. Be interested to see if other people have good luck with creamy products on this foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Artist Bronzer from Makeup Forever. I'm just gonna use my Beverly brush. This is from a set from Amazon. I should put something on my lips. I like applying bronzer with a soft, fluffy brush. That looks better. And it's not lifting. So it's kind of like the foundation dries down to a powder finish. So putting cream over powder is not fun. In another video, I talked about how this area right here, it's really having a lot of inflammation in my face. And it was suggested by 2 injectors that it could be leftover filler that's just sitting there. So today I'm going to get a little dissolver in this area to see if it works, if it is even filler that we're looking at. So I am putting this to the test, but I know that they're gonna have to remove this. I'm gonna use Fenty's concealer, just right in there. Right in there. This is Signature Move by MAC. I love this concealer. It's so pretty. A little brighter now, eh? I showed the YSL blushes in a live stream and I didn't try one of them. And this one is called, I don't know what it's called. This one is number 37. I feel like this is gonna go with today. Did I break it? Oh no. Oh no. It broke. Oh. Anyway, this has a matte finish. The other 2 have a satin finish. And I want to try this out. I feel like it's going with my mood today. Just using a light fluffy brush from Refer. Is that patchy? Like right there? Why? Let's try it on the other side. I'll make sure to really tap it off on my hand first. I didn't powder first before I applied the blush, but with this formulation, I didn't think I needed to. Well, to fix that, I'm gonna go over it with my foundation brush. There's not much left on it, but it will blend it out easy without covering it all up. Easy fix. That looks better. I'm gonna put some Lumify in my eyes. Today, I think it's necessary. Try not to ruin my makeup. I don't wanna tilt my head to this side because this is gonna run out. I'll be patient. With a finish like this, I think I do need a little bit of highlighter. I feel like I went too low with my blush. How did I do that? Let me just blend up a little bit. Make sure that doesn't go too low. That's with my foundation, not concealer. Just moving upwards. Oh yeah, the blush fell on my sweater, boo. I don't feel a need to powder my face, and that's again why I didn't go ahead and powder before my blush. Not a big deal, I blended it out, easy enough. I'm gonna try this out. This is by Shiseido. This is number 10. I can't say the name, but it's cute. It's got a little bunny on it. I'm gonna take a Rephr number 20. I'm gonna dip it in ever so slightly. Just bring a little life back. Not too much, just a little. That's pretty. Hey, I've been wearing a heart for Valentine's Day. I think I'm gonna wear it all the time though. I was told that what you wear has energy, and that is the energy I wanna put out into the world. A heart. I'm gonna dip into this one. I feel like I just want a little bit more. This is to do our Backstage Glow Face palette, and this is one universal. I'm gonna go into the two of these just lightly. Yeah, I just want a bit more radiance. I see a difference for sure. I feel a bit better with that. And just down my nose a little bit. Tiny bit though, I don't like a glowy nose. Should I just speed through the eyes? You know what, I'm gonna do timestamps for you. So that way, if you're just interested in the foundation, you can skip forward and see the final result, or you can watch me do my eyeshadow. It's up to you. Maybe I'll just play some music through this, is that okay? If you prefer me to go through my eyeshadows, let me know in the comments. If the music's okay for this video, also let me know in the comments.
Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. Not dead yet, true shit. So why do I worry about what I can see? I've been stressing about money for my rent, but the money that I spent last night with my friends was worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be alright, right, right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, one shot. I don't belong to somewhere else than where I lay my bags. It's so hard to stay up and don't hide away behind the same old mask. But tonight I got the cool and I wanna go dance with you. So if you are in the mood, it's worth it. We don't belong with masks on. Leave them here and don't look back. So many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be alright, right, right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, so many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be alright, right, right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot.
I wanted to show you the new Lancôme Flutter Extension Mascara. And I used it last night for the first time. I really like the wand. I like the way this wand grips. It's really, it's a unique wand I find. And it's not a flexible wand, which I like. I'm not a fan of those flexible wands. I wanna have full control. I really wanna be able to push my lashes into the brush. I don't know why anybody would want a flexible wand. With this mascara, I can get right to the base of the lash and I'm not getting anything on the other side of my lashes. I always struggle with that. I don't know if you do, but I do. And I find that it's nice and black. I also found that I only need one coat. I know I'm going over and over, but last night I tried 2 coats and I really didn't feel I needed it. But I will show you 2 coats just to show you. And it's perfect for the bottom lashes. Again, I have full control over it. No pokies are getting on the inside of my eye. And it's really gripping. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see because I can feel it. That's set for a second and then I'll do a second coat. As always with mascara, it's really hard to tell in the beginning. First impressions are tough. I know first off if I like it, but I don't know after I like it if I'm gonna continue to like it. Because once the air gets at it, you just never know. Okay, let's try for a second coat. I really don't think I need it, but maybe I'll just focus on the ends, see if I can get those looking a little longer. A lot of you say you like the Lash primer from Lancôme. I can't honestly say I've used it. Yeah, I'm not sure if that made much of a difference. So I'm all done. I'm gonna go off to my appointment and I will check in. I hope she doesn't mess up my makeup too much. The only place she's touching is right here. Probably not the best day to do this, but it's okay. Where it wears off on me typically, any foundation is right around here anyway. It's not often that it wears off here, maybe in here, but she's not gonna be touching me there. So we will be able to see how this lasts. I'm so glad that I tried this again. I think I was just having a bad skin day. I just turned my 2 big lights off and I wanna show you in different lighting. This will give you a better idea of texture. I honestly think it looks really good. Hope this helps to see it in different light. It does for me. And this is the area right here. See that puffy part? That's where we think there might be filler sitting. It's kind of like, it almost does feel liquidy. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, I am home. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I just wanted to do a check-in in the daylight. I asked Helen, the injector, what she thought of the foundation and she said it looked stunning. And oh, there's a horse, look. Oh, Shelby. Bailey thinks he can get through the snow, but he can't. Okay, come on guys. Seeing horses makes me so happy. All right, let's take a look at my makeup. So as I said, I got some pokes in here today. I need to touch up though. We're going out for dinner. I feel like these lights are too bright because I'm seeing texture and it's not showing anything. That's not good. Yeah, there we go, that's better. I just finished trying on clothes. I got a little hot. One thing I noticed is it doesn't feel dry. So the first time I tried it, it definitely felt dry, but my skin was very dry and I prep my skin differently. So it really makes all the difference. I am seeing some makeup kind of broken apart here. I really need to do this more often because this probably happens with a lot of foundations and I just don't pay attention to it afterwards. I notice more if it's really uncomfortable and if I feel like I don't have any makeup on by the end of the day. But overall, I think my skin looks really good. Yeah. Let's get back to this part, the little part that we thought that we were going to dissolve. We put a little filler in here to make it not so flat so that it would blend in more. I don't think she put that much, so very little. This side is more obvious to me for sure. Since I had a little filler there, I'm freshly poked, so she doesn't want me to put any makeup on that area. I'm a little worn off here, but I touch my face a lot on this side. I do this a lot. That's exactly where it is. You can't expect too much from your foundation. If you're touching your face all the time, you know, it's gonna wear off. So be aware of your movements, that's really important. The mascara is really lasting, no flakes, nothing. Still looks fresh, I love that. I'm just gonna use a concealer brush. This is an Angie Hot and Flashy. I'm just gonna tap into those areas right there. That's actually too much. I don't need that much. Touch this area. Shouldn't touch me at all here, so I can touch that up. I mean, I can see my hyperpigmentation, but that just pops through. Just avoiding those little pokey areas. So funny, Bailey came up to me and put his nose right there. He's like, what is that in your skin? Ever so slightly. I am avoiding it. I know it looks like I might go over it, but I'm not. I'm gonna use whatever's left on my brush from before, just to add some color. I'm not as worried about the powder going over those little injection marks. I just didn't want the foundation. A little bit of Cool Spice. Yeah, I am really happy. Oh, I'm so glad I tried that again. I'm just going to sit in a restaurant and I've touched up. So I think this is probably it for the night. Before I go, I want to mention that I used a new shampoo and conditioner today by Vegamore. I used it for the first time. I had no issues with it. Normally, I don't like volumizing shampoo and conditioner because I feel like sometimes it's not as silky, but so far this is good. My hair turned out well. This is second day hair. I let it air dry yesterday and I styled it today with a curling iron. And it looks good, no frizzies, feels soft. I'm assuming with the name it's vegan, it's all clean, and it's good for your hair, good for the environment. I'll look into this more. I'm gonna keep trying it out and I will keep you updated. I hope this helps. As always, all the products that I use today will be listed in the description box for you. They are affiliate links, and if you use them, it helps me so much. If you click on it, it helps me too. It lets the brands know that I have an audience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.